So the graph should be, how the graph should be means acceleration versus time graph. You have to draw this graph. Okay, this is what your
Yes, sir. We
assignment.
will do, sir.
Okay, acceleration. This is acceleration we are taking. So here 1, 2, 3, some 4 I'm giving. This is 0. This is 3 by 4, 3 by 2, 3t by 4.
3t by 4 t, sir.
Okay. Here some maxima. Here also you will get some maxima. This is maxima is omega square a. Here minima is minus omega square a. You will get, and the graph should be like this. Here one node, and here one node. 3 by 2 here one node, and 3t by 4 here one node. Okay, this type of curve you will get now. Okay, na? This type of curve you will get. Is it fine?
Hi, yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next. Next. Okay. Next. Number 4. Number 4, right? Velocity
Yes, sir.
versus displacement graph. Velocity versus displacement graph. Is record is going on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's going on, sir.
Yes, sir. Going on, sir.
Okay. Velocity versus displacement graph we want actually. Okay. So for that we need an equation in which velocity and displacement should be there. And then Anana?
Yes, sir.
Right. Actually we have, do you remember this equation? Velocity omega equals to v equals to under root of a square minus x square. Do you remember?
A square minus x square,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We derived this expression, right? From this
Yes, sir.
square root on both sides, omega v square equals to
B square is equals
omega
to
square
omega
square minus
All
x square.
a square minus x square.
So from this we can write v square by omega square equals to a square minus x square.
x square.
A square minus x square.
Yes, sir.
From this
A square minus x square.
v square by omega square plus x square equals to
X square by
a square.
A square.
A square.
Okay. From this you can write v square by
Square
omega
by
square
omega
a
square plus x
Omega
square
square.
minus a square.
A square.
square plus
by-
a square equals to.
square by a square.
Can we write like this?
Yes,
sir.
sir. We can, sir.
From this we can write x square by a square plus
A square by a square.
b square by
A square.
omega a square equals to 1. So which type of equation it is?
It is a harmonic equation, no,
Linear.
sir. Simple harmonic equation, no,
Linear
sir.
equation.
X square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Which type of equation it is? It is an ellipse.
Linear equation, sir.
Linear,
Linear equation
sir.
two variables.
It is not
Linear
linear. It is not linear. Linear means only x and y will be there. Okay, now it is
Yes,
an
sir.
ellipse. It is an ellipse. What is y equals to mx, Nana? Y equals to mx nothing but is a straight line. Antena?
Yes, sir. Straight line.
Yes, sir.
So, like
Straight
this.
line.
For example, y square equals to 4ax. It is a parabola. Okay. So here this is an ellipse, Nana. Math people can understand this. So BPC people you can buy
Sir,
it.
ellipse means involvement of two or more variables, sir.
Ellipse means this is actually what is circle, Nana? What is circle equation? X square plus y square equals to a square. This is a circle equation. Okay, now. This
Yes,
is what
sir.
Yes, sir.
circle equation. Okay, okay. So here, how to draw the graph? How to draw the graph means Carefully observe. This is the ellipse. Okay, this is the graph between what v versus x, velocity versus displacement curve. Velocity versus displacement curve. This is x. This is what v. Okay, so this is called semi-major axis. This is called what semi-minor axis. Semi-major axis and semi-minor axis.
Semi
So here-
major axis.
This is a. This is what omega a. This is a.
Omega A, sir.
Okay na. This
Omega
is point,
A.
for example, P అనుకున్నట్లయితే Q అనుకున్నట్లయితే this is OQ is what omega A, OP is not what A. Okay, this is the graph we are getting. Okay na.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. So far I given displacement versus time graph, velocity versus time graph, acceleration versus time graph, and
Acceleration versus time graph.
velocity versus displacement graph. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, fifth one. Fifth one is what? Velocity, acceleration versus velocity graph. AV graph. AV graph, acceleration versus velocity graph. Okay.
Velocity graph.
Okay. See how to draw the graph. Again, don't by heart all these things, just learn the concept. Okay, no.
Yes, sir.
So here, actually velocity, what is velocity? Omega into under root of
Omega T.
a square
A
minus
square minus x square.
x square.
A square minus x square.
This is we know already. This is in terms of magnitude. In terms of what, Anna? Magnitude. What is acceleration?
Magnitude.
Acceleration
A is equal
equals
to
to
minus
Omega square
omega
x.
square x.
but here I'm considering only in magnitude only. In terms of magnitude only. Okay, Nana. This is equation we are having. Okay,
Yes,
Nana.
sir.
From this a by omega square equals to x. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So here I am substituting equation 3 in equation 1. Equation 3 in equation 1. Sir, what is equation 1, sir? That is v equals to omega
V is equal
under
to
root
omega
a
square minus
square
x square.
x square. What is x, Nana? A by omega
A-
square. And then
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so square root on both sides, you will get v square equals to
E square
omega
equal to
square
W square
a square
A square
minus
Minus
A square by
omega
omega
square by
square.
omega square.
4.
4.
Okay. So take v square this side. V square by omega square equals to a square
A
minus
square
a square
minus
omega by 4.
omega
So take that also this side. V square by omega
A
square
minus
plus
omega square
a
minus
square omega
A
by
square
4
by omega 4
a square.
is equals to a square.
So from this v square by a square omega
A
square
square omega square
a square by
A square
A
omega
square by
4
a square.
that is 1.
is equal to 1.
So see how the graph should be. Graph ఎలా ఉంది నాన్న ఇది సేమ్ అగైన్ ఇప్పటి లెక్క ఉందా?
Square by A square.
ఓకేనా? This is a square by a
Square by
omega square
omega
whole
square
square
plus
Square to the power
v square by
V square by
a omega
A
whole
omega
a
square
omega whole
equals to
square is
1.
equals to
Okay.
1.
So this is of the form what
Yes, sir.
x square by
Ellipse
a
forms
square
X square by
square by
square
b
by
square
by B square
One.
is equal
is
to 1.
ellipse equation.
same. This is what the ellipse again. This is the what
Yes,
ellipse
sir. Ellipse
we are having.
equation.
Okay. See how the graph should be. Okay. This is along x-axis we are taking one on acceleration. I'm taking along the x-axis, and y-axis I'm taking one on velocity.
V.
Okay.
Velocity, sir.
So this is a omega square. This is what a omega square, and this is what on a omega. Okay.
Yeah.
This is what x intercept. This is what on y intercept. Okay. This is x intercept. This is
Yes,
what
sir.
on y intercept.
Y
Is it
Y
fine?
intercept.
Is it fine?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
next
sir.
last graph that is I'm going to discuss today. That is the last graph 6. You have to tell me acceleration versus displacement graph, AX graph. How the graph should be? You have to tell me.
Here A is equals to
Sir, A is
omega
equals
root
to
over A square
omega
minus X
under
square,
root
sir.
X. Yes, sir.
Square x square, sir.
Okay. A equals to omega square X. Do you remember this?
It is 1
Yes,
equals to
sir. In the previous we derived
Yes,
now,
Okay.
sir. A is
A equals to
equals to omega square
minus
X.
omega square X. A equals to minus omega square X. Understood?
here X is equals to
Yes, sir.
Okay,
A
na?
cos omega t plus pi.
A equals to minus omega square X. We need the relation between A and X only, right? And then,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so that's why we are taking directly. We are taking A equals to minus omega square X. So here this is of the form what y equals to minus mx, and then
Mx minus Mx. Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay, na?
sir.
So means this is straight line having negative intercept, negative slope. Okay, na? This is a straight line having negative slope. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here I'm taking acceleration along the y-axis, displacement along the x-axis. How the graph should be na? Ila undale. It is a straight line. Must be passing
In
through the
straight
one
lines are in
origin. Straight line must be passing through what an origin having negative slope. Okay. So this is the graph we are having. Okay, Nana? This is what A equals
Yes,
to
sir.
minus omega square X.
Minus omega square X.
Is it fine?
Here A is equals to omega square. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na? Here, what is slope, Nana? In this, what is slope? Slope is nothing but this total theta. This is called, this is theta. The slope of the curve, small m equals to
Slope M1 is equals to minus
theta.
omega square X, sir.
System
minus omega square.
this is what? Array, chepta. Okay, na? Slope is what? Omega square. Okay, na? Slope is what?
Omega
Omega square. Okay? Okay, Nana? That is omega means what? Minus omega square. Okay? This is what A versus X graph. A versus X graph. Is it fine? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, next what? Time period. Next concept of time period. So next characteristic, that is fifth characteristic, that is time period. Okay. Okay. Definition. Amar, you there?
Sir,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Definition of time period. What is time period? I already told you. The time taken by the particle to complete one oscillation is called time period. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
write it. Write down the time
Taken.
taken by a particle
To complete one oscillation.
to complete one oscillation. So the time taken by the particle to complete one oscillation is known as a time period. Okay, na?
Time
So
period, sir.
about its mean position, and then about its mean position, that is called time period. So how to denote a time period, Nana? Notations.
T, sir.
Capital T. Capital T.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Nana? So tell me what are the
Yes,
units of
sir.
time period? Units.
Yes, sir. Equal
Second
to second, sir.
Seconds. Okay, na? SI units is what, Nana? Seconds. Okay.
Seconds.
Okay.
serious.
So here I will give a small explanation about time period. Explanation about time period. Okay. See here. For example, see here. This is what this is one extreme position. This is what another extreme position. This is what your mean position. This is O. This is A. This is what B. Actually, this is one extreme position. And what is O, Nana? O is nothing but the fixed position is called mean position.
Main position.
The reference point. Okay, na? And this is also another extreme position. Extreme position. So here, for example, if a person or particle at the mean position, here how to calculate time period means this particle will go to what, capital A, again it go back to what, again it go back to capital A, again it should come back to its initial position. Okay, now the time taken to go from O to A, then B, then what? Then A to B, again B to O.
A to B, sir. And next
This is
B to
called,
O.
okay, now this is called a time period. The time taken by a particle to go from O to A, again A to
And
B,
A to B and B
again
to
B to O.
B, sir. B to O, sir.
This is called one complete oscillation. This is called one complete oscillation. Okay,
Complete
now
oscillation.
the time taken by a particle to travel from O to A to B, again to B to O. For example, now you are here, the particle is here. The time taken by a particle to go to B, again B to A. Okay, now understood? This is called a time period. This is called what, Nana? Time period.
Time period, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Oppositely moving.
What? Oppositely moving, na? See, in the reference circle, what happens, Nana? The center we are having.
Radius.
This is a reference circle we have taken, right? What is the radius of the circle, Nana? The radius of circle is nothing but amplitude they are taking, right? Okay, na? So here tell me what is angular velocity? Angular velocity. Angular velocity, which is denoted by what? An omega. Actually, what is angular velocity? Is nothing but what? Angular displacement.
By time.
Very good. Angular displacement
time.
by time. Okay. So tell me, this is omega. What is angular displacement, Anna? From here to here. If the total displacement by a particle in complete one oscillation is what? Angular displacement. What is the total angular displacement, Nana? That is 2 pi. And then
2 pi. Yes, sir. 2 pi by 2.
Yes, sir.
2 pi. That is what? T. Understood? 2 pi by
Yes,
T.
sir.
Angular displacement
Yes.
equals to what, Nana? 2 pi by T.
2
2 pi by T.
From this, what we can write? T equals to 2 pi by omega. 2 pi by omega. But what we know, A equals to omega square x in terms of magnitude. In terms of
Yes, sir.
magnitude. In terms of magnitude. Okay, Nana? So from this what we can write? A by x equals to omega square. Omega square equals to
A by x.
A
A
by
by
x.
X.
So we can write omega equals to
Omega is equal
A
to
by X.
A by X, sir.
Therefore, the time period, what is T, Nana? T is nothing but what? 2 pi by omega.
2 pi by omega.
2 pi by what is omega? Under root of A by X.
A by
A by X, sir.
That is 2 pi
A
by
by
under root
X.
of X by A. 2 pi under root of what, Nana? What is X, Nana? X is nothing but displacement
Displacement by acceleration.
by acceleration. Is it fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine, sir.
So finally, the time period equals to what, Anna? This is the thing. You have to remember this formula. Very, very important. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
In this time period, what are the terms we have, Nana? We have only displacement and acceleration.
Acceleration.
Any amplitude is there?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Means we can say the time period of oscillation is independent of its amplitude.
Yes, sir. Independent
Right.
of amplitude.
T is
If it is-
independent.
Sir, is there
Ah.
any involvement of A? Is there means we have to tell dependent of amplitude? sir.
Very good, very good. So if there is no, if there is no term of capital A, so we can say the time period of oscillation is independent of its amplitude.
amplitude.
Okay. So there
Yes,
they will
sir.
ask in the question. They will ask choose the following. Choose the correct one. Antadu. They will give 4 sentences and choose the correct option. Antanana. In that case, they will say the time period of oscillation executing simple harmonic motion of particle is depends on its amplitude. Antadu. Listen. The particle which is executing simple harmonic motion having time period is depends on its amplitude.
It is independent.
It is
No, sir.
independent.
Independent, sir.
Independent of its amplitude.
Independent.
Sentence is false.
Of its amplitude.
Okay. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is fine, sir.
Any doubts up to now?
No, sir. Sir,
Okay.
will you post today's video, sir?
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, sir.
How many of them you subscribed?
Sir, I have subscribed, sir.
Sir, I have subscribed, sir. Durgam Lavanya subscribed, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay. Next, the sixth one is frequency. Sixth one is what on a frequency. I will take up to 11:30. Then after chemistry sir will take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, frequency. So frequency. No. Right. What is frequency? I given the definition of frequency. The first one is what? What the first definition? The frequency is nothing but number of oscillations completed by particle in 1 second. Okay, na? The total number of
Yes, sir.
oscillations completed by particle in 1 second is called its frequency.
One
Frequency,
second
sir.
is called
Okay, na?
frequency.
The number of, write down, oscillations completed by a particle in 1 second. And then
1 second.
Yes, sir.
in 1
Yes,
second.
Sir.
So the number of oscillations completed by particle in unit time or 1 second is called frequency. One more definition
Frequency.
I given. The frequency is numerically equals to what? Reciprocal of its time period. And then reciprocal of its time
Yes,
period.
sir.
It is denoted by nu, sir.
Okay, na? Frequency numerically is equal to the reciprocal of its time period. Reciprocal of its time period. Okay, now that is small n. Small n equals to what? 1 by t. Small n equals to what? 1 by t. But you know what is t? You know what is t, Nana? T is nothing but what?
Time period, sir.
2 pi into under root x by a. And then
X by
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so we can write 2 pi under root of 1 by 2 pi under root of a by x. Okay. N equals to 1 by 2 pi under root of a by x. Okay. This is what the frequency we are having. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, this is what frequency we are having. And one more equation I'm going to give you, very, very important one. And these things are we are going to use in further. I already told you what is omega, Nana? Omega equals to 2 pi by t, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Right. From this, omega equals to 2 pi into 1 by t. Okay. What is this 1 by t, Nana? Reciprocal of time period is nothing but frequency 2 pi n.
Frequency, sir.
Okay, na? 2 pi n. Omega equals to 2 pi n.
2 pi
Okay.
n.
Okay, this is also one more equation for what? Angular frequency. Okay, na? Here I already told you the omega is nothing but angular velocity. Here we can say it is angular frequency. Means omega will having two terms, right? The omega is also known as angular frequency. Why? Because it is a frequency term now. N is nothing but frequency, right? 2 pi is nothing but constant, right? That's why hence
Sir, angular velocity or angular frequency.
so angular frequency, angular velocity both are same. Okay. Hence omega is also known as
Angular
Also-
frequency.
known as angular frequency.
Frequency, sir.
Angular frequency. So you know what are the units of angular frequency?
SI unit is equals to radian per second, sir.
Radian per second. I say it's equals to 1 radian per second. Okay, na? Okay, here 2 pi radians అంతేనా అంతే కదరా
Yes.
Yes,
pi.
sir.
2 pi by t, the radians, the angular displacement is what? Radian. Pi is nothing but what, Nana?
Second.
Second. Okay, na?
Second.
Radian per second. Okay. Is it fine?